Hello everyone. Today we will make a code for a battle game using pictoblox with Python language. Here we can see this is the whole interface of Python code in pictoblox, and we can choose sprites here, and we can choose backdrop here, and this is the code I made now. Let us run this code and play with game. Here I am pressing the keys in the keyboard as I mentioned in the code. Yes, when battle touch the red apple, the battle saying you win. Like this we can make the code for the battle game. Thank you.